In this video, we're going to show you how to use AP's TweakTool. Now, the TweakTool is very similar to the Transform tool. The major difference is that the TweakTool bypasses the selection system. So we have a simple scene here. We're going to add the meshes to the physics engine. The two creator meshes are 2D ground planes, so we need to make them a mesh collision shape and a static body type. Now you can see the box is blinking red here. When this box is blinking red, that means the either AP or the physics engine is doing a pre-processing step. These run on separate threads, so you can go about setting up your scene in AP, but you cannot start the physics engine until this box is green. So we'll make the other meshes convex hulls and dynamic. And now we're ready to place the mechs on the ground plane. And you can see that AP defaults to the Transform tool. Transform tool requires a selection. So if nothing is selected, you can just, the mouse on the ground does nothing. So in a simple scene like this, you can just select each one and get it upright on the ground. And it's not so bad. But if you had a whole bunch of mechs in the scene, it might be a little tedious, and that's where the Tweak tool comes in. So let's create a bunch of instances using the Emit tool. So now if we want to get all these new meshes sitting on the ground plane, it's a lot easier to use the Tweak tool. So we just select the Tweak tool, and you do not have to select anything. When you press the mouse down, it will select the object that's under the cursor. And it gives you a green bounding box to let you know that which one you've selected. And that can be useful to avoid inadvertent selection. So if you're careful to select first and then drag, you can avoid the inadvertent selection problem that sometimes happens. And just like the Transform tool, if you use the right mouse, up and down scales, and left to right rotates. The Tweak tool has a couple other options. You can replace an object with another. So if you want to replace this rover with a drone, select the drone, replace, and then click on the rover. And if you want to replace this drone with a rover, we can do that. And we can also delete a mesh just by clicking on it. So that's the Tweak tool.